Happy 4th of July, everyone. As you can see, we have a lot of fireworks, and there's no better way to celebrate the 4th of July than lighting off fireworks. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to have some fun. We're going to put up a fireworks show for you, and we're going to film it with the amazing camera that the DJI Mini 2 has. So I'm very excited for this. Anyways, let's get right into the fireworks show. Alright guys, so it's always important to remember safety first when you're letting off fireworks. Right here I made a pretty dumb mistake, and I was letting these big fireworks off on uneven grass, and that caused the thing to tip over, and it shot out completely sideways and it started blowing up everywhere. Luckily it was almost over and it didn't really hurt anyone, but just a reminder to always be safe when you're letting off fireworks. You never want to put anyone in danger. Speaking of which, as you can tell, there's a lot of people there, and a lot of people were lighting off fireworks, so it was about this time when we decided to take down the drone because the fireworks were just getting way too close to the drone and we didn't want to risk damaging it.
I don't give a f***, really came from rags to riches.